So now we are finishing off our hoodie. This is it, and I have separated it to make it easier to sew. And then right side facing right side, we are going to use 1/2 inch sewing allowance. That's what we used when we were cutting. I don't know, mommy. Let me sew your jacket.
Just the jacket. Jacket. That's nice. Alright. The mom. Alright. Mom. Hi, mom. Alright. Alright, mom.
So at this point, we are going now to proceed with our Ankara, but because I have a serger, I'm gonna use the serger. If you don't have a serger, an overlock, don't worry. Continue with the next step. So this is our overlock station. We are going to overlock them. So what you do here, just make sure this 1/2 inch is at the center of this foot. So this is what we get. Yeah, very neat job. And of course use a matching thread color. I'll cut that later. So I have several hoodies I'm finishing. Let me do one more, then we go and do the Ankara together. So this is it. This was where we sewed with the thread, and it's important you sew with the thread too if you want it to last longer. For mass production, that sometimes is impossible, but if you can, just do it. So now after the overlock, we are going, this is the wrong side, this is the side you just sewn. We are going to turn it on. When you pull it like this, you should not see the stitches. That's a very neat finish. So this is the right side. Remember, we have our strips. Now if your fabric was long enough, you should not cut them in half like this. It should have been one continuous strip. It works best, but if your fabric is limited like mine, this is how we do it. So we are trying to start edge to edge. A minute. So you join the strip like this. I paused the video so you wouldn't have to see this. And then you make sure where this seam is where your seam is. This and this seam are the same location, so it doesn't give a joining vibe. Yeah. Oh, wait, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be finishing this side, not the bottom. Now because my strip is joined, we'll have to start at the center. Let me use a peg, it makes it easy. So remember, it's right sides together. This is the right side, yeah, together on the right side. So again, we are going to use our 1/2 inch seam allowance. You take your time, because if you get it right, it will be very beautiful. So there we go. Here we have the portion neatly sewed. So what you want to do, remember, this is the right side, this is the wrong side. You can also do it the other way around, but I find this method to be neater. So what you want to do at this point is to turn it in, and then on this side come and fold it just on this edge. So you're folding to get, this is what we want at the end of the day, just like we have here. So you just fold it, and then on this inside you're gonna fold it again to align to this seam, just like that. So when we turn it, let me show you. When we turn it like this, we are going to be top stitching right here. So we'll be catching this fabric on this side. But remember, this is the one that shows. I hope you got that. Let me pin them so that I can sew it easily and faster. So this is how you pin it. Yeah, the beauty about pinning is you can see the product before you start sewing. And then we are going to be sewing right here. So you can see the behind, the one behind should be outside a bit, so that when you top stitch here, you can capture that as well. So let me show you that. That is exactly what we're doing right now. Start with the back stitch. not sure you can see, but it's a very neat stitch. The stitch is not showing on the outside at all. That is very important. So this is what you'll be having on the inside. Not sure if you can see that. And on the outside, a very clean, neat finish. And that is it, my love. The hoodie is ready to be attached to this sweater. Again, if you like the beauty, you can let the stitch show. And this is what I meant when I told you, let it match. That is if you're using 2 small stripes of fabric. If not, cut 1 single stripe. It looks neater. So that's it. Now in the next video, I'll be showing you how we attach it to the hoodie. Just like that. So see you in the next one. Bye.